Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to set up your Virgin Media Broadband Hub 3. First, carefully unbox your new Hub 3 and ensure all components are present, including the power adapter and the white coaxial cable. Next, find a good spot for your hub. Ideally, it should be centrally located and not hidden in a cabinet, allowing for optimal Wi-Fi signal distribution throughout your home. This initial preparation makes the rest of the setup process much smoother. Now let's connect the essential cables. Take the white coaxial cable and firmly screw one end into the port on the back of your Hub 3, which is clearly marked cable. Then, connect the other end of this coaxial cable to your Virgin Media wall socket. Finally, plug the power adapter into the Hub 3's power input and then into a nearby electrical wall outlet. Make sure all connections are snug and secure. With the cables connected, it's time to power on your Hub 3. Press the power button located on the back of the unit. You'll notice various lights on the front panel begin to flash. This process can take several minutes, typically between 5 and 10 minutes, as the hub connects to the Virgin Media network. Please be patient and wait until the white light on the front becomes solid, signifying a stable connection. Once the white light is solid, your Hub 3 is ready for use. You can now connect your devices. Find the Wi-Fi network name and password printed on the sticker on the bottom or back of your hub. Enter these details on your phone, tablet, or computer. For a more stable connection, you can also use an Ethernet cable to directly connect a device to one of the yellow ports. If you encounter any issues, try restarting the hub after waiting about 10 minutes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.